What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we have our Boxycharm unboxings for the month of July. I was like, wait, what month is it? I don't even know anymore, but we have both Boxycharms for this month. We have the base box and then we have a Boxy Premium. They're both pretty heavy. At least my boxes are. Like they seem pretty hefty this month, so I'm definitely really excited to see what is inside and dig into everything in these boxes. If you guys are new to Boxycharm or my Boxycharm unboxings, it's basically a monthly subscription service where you get sent beauty products to your door every single month. There are different tiers. So the base box is $25 per month and you're guaranteed at least 5 full-size beauty products in there. And normally the value is like well over $100 for that. And then for the premium box, it's $35 per month, so an extra $10 per month, but you're guaranteed 6 to 7 full-size beauty products. Kind of depends on the month. I've gotten 6 some months and I've gotten 7 some months. Again, a full-size product. So we're gonna unbox June. Why do I keep wanting to say June? July. We're gonna unbox July's boxes together today. Thank you to Boxycharm as always for partnering with me on today's video and sending me out these boxes to review for you guys. I'm very excited. And yeah, without further ado, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you're notified of all my future uploads, and let's jump into the unboxing. Alrighty, let's start with the base box first. Like I said, both of these boxes this month are heavy, so I don't know, I'm expecting like a palette or something. Okay, this doesn't look like there's a palette in here. Oh, I think this is probably what it was. Okay, so right on top, we get a little card. So it looks like this month's theme is fantasy. Like, love that, like the sea. Super cute, fitting for July. And this first product right here is what I think is weighing it down because this is a heavy product. So this is from Pharmacy. I've actually gotten a lot of Pharmacy skincare products in my Boxycharm boxes, and they're very nice. It's a high-end brand. I believe they're sold at Sephora. Make a cleansing oil that's really nice, but this is the Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. I've never tried this. I tried the Greens moisturizer from their line, which was nice, but this is the foaming cleanser. It's oil-free and yeah, full size, and this is pretty hefty. I think this is what was weighing the box down, but that's super exciting. And the value on this is $28. Next, oh, this is so cute. Okay, this is the second time that I've got something from this brand in my Boxycharm, and their stuff is always packaged so adorably. So this is from Beauty Bakery, and like all their stuff looks like little bakery-like things, and so it's kind of like collapsing in on itself. Let me fluff her up a little bit. There we go. But it looks like a little thing of flour, and it says Better Not Bitter Flour Setting Powder. So this is really cool. Is this like in a shade or is it just translucent? I'm not sure. Okay, so let's like test this out. I'll apply a little bit to my under eyes. It looks like it has like a yellowy kind of undertone to it, which is nice. This is $24. It says it will noticeably blur your pores and soften your complexion, leaving you with a beautiful matte finish. So let me open this up and pop some on. Ooh, love that it has a sifter that you can like close up so then it won't go everywhere in your bag. I'm gonna tap some into the cap there. And then we'll dust on the face. Just gonna use like a little domed brush like this. Put some underneath my eyes. Woo! It definitely has like a little bit of a scent to it, and it's definitely brightening. I already have like a brightening powder, but that like instantly, boom, brightened up that under eye area. I gotta like blur it out. You only need a little bit of this, but you can definitely see this side much more bright on the under eyes than this side. Let me balance it out. And even though I now have 2 layers of powder on my face, it doesn't feel really drying either, which is nice because I have dry skin and I've now powdered my under eyes twice. But I love the brightness that it gave and the smoothness that it gave to the under eyes. So definitely a super cute product. I like that. Okay, next we have this Outre. I don't know how to say that brand. 8-in-1 CBD multi-purpose nutrient mist. So is this for the face or is this for the hair? That's what I'm trying to determine. I'm like, I don't know if this is a face mist or a hair mist, and it doesn't really say. Let me look on the little card here. Okay, it's hair. Good thing that I read this because for some reason I was kind of thinking this might be a face mist, so that would have been weird if I sprayed that on my face. So this is an 8-in-1 CBD leave-in conditioner. So it's a leave-in conditioner for your hair that's supposed to enhance body manageability, detangle, fight frizz, protect hair from damage, moisturize, like a bunch of different things, 8 different things. That's why it's 8-in-1. And the MSRP on this is $30. So that's cool. I love getting something like a little bit different because obviously every month it's mostly makeup stuff. I don't normally get a lot of hair stuff in my Boxycharm, so I'm excited about this, something a little different. I'm definitely gonna test this out. Cute. Okay, next we have this Basic Beauty lip oil. I've actually really been into lip oils. I got one in my Boxycharm from Cab Cosmetics like a couple months ago, and I've been loving it. I have it on my vanity back there, and I've used it in the morning. Oh, and this is super cute. It's very similar to the Cab one, but this one is a different color. So this one's like a lighter kind of pink shade. So I will put this on my lips. I like to just put lip oil on my lips like as I sit down to do my, you know, foundation or my makeup for the day or whatever, just to have a little something on the lips to help hydrate them. Ooh, and this one is really nice. I like the shine that it gives, and it feels really nice on the lips. I like this. I've never heard of this brand before, Basic Beauty, and this is $18. Okay, and then last but certainly not least, we have this Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. Ooh, okay, so I think these are like under eye patches. Let me open this and let's see. I love a good little under eye depuffer, and I feel like that's exactly what this is gonna be. Ooh, yes. Okay, so they're little like blue like under eye patches. They don't really have a scent or anything to them. They have like a lot of liquid on them, which is amazing. I'm not sure about the marine algae. Like I don't think I have any under eye patches that are like that. I don't know if it says what this, like what that works for. Oh, it says it helps firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. Well, that sounds amazing. The MSRP on these are $49.99, so about 50 bucks. So I will definitely use these. You get 30 different pairs in here, which is really nice too. So great to just apply on your under eyes if you just wanna pamper your skin, or if you have like a big day or something, put them on your under eyes when you get up in the morning, like before you do your makeup while you're having your coffee or something. I'm excited to try these out. I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand Generation Skin either, so I'll definitely give them a try. Alrighty, so that was everything in this month's base box. Let's add up the MSRPs so we know what we're working with. So again, the box costs $25 a month. We have $28 for the Pharmacy Cleanser, $24 for the setting powder, $49.99 for the eye patches, $30 for the CBD leave-in conditioner for the hair, and then $18 for the lip oil, for a grand total of $149.99. So just about $150. So that was the base box. Now I am definitely very eager to see what is inside Premium this month. Again, it seems pretty hefty, so let's open it up and see. Okay, wait, I just opened this, and this is different than normal Premium boxes. It looks like this month it's like Boxy Premium and Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I'm like, okay, this is really cool. I did not know about this. Maybe I'm behind and should have known, but wow, okay, so big pamphlet in here. It looks like the whole box is like Anastasia and Norvina, which is really cool, because obviously that's a very, you know, high-end brand from Sephora and stuff. So this is what I see right on top. This must be a palette, I'm assuming. It says ABH Norvina Collection. I have tried, obviously, you know, products from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I've never tried anything actually from the Norvina line. So Norvina is Anastasia's daughter, I believe. Ooh, this is pretty. This is heavy too, like this is a heavy palette. So let's see what the inside looks like. Wow, oh my goodness gracious. This is beautiful. Dang, look at that. Such a cool mix of colors, like lots of warm tone colors, lots of neutrals, but lots of pops of color too. Like there's just, I feel like endless opportunity to use these colors. Like some of them are just, ooh, so pretty. And I feel like it's nice because you still do have those neutrals that you can use, you know, if you want to do like a neutral kind of look. This is beautiful. I'm very, very excited about this. And there's a ton of shades in here. How many colors? 25 different shadows in here. So this is very, very nice. Let's see. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3, and the MSRP on this is 60 bucks. So obviously we're already almost double the value of the box. So that's really, really cool. I'm very excited to use that and check that out more. And then there's a bunch of other stuff down here on the bottom. So up next we have an Anastasia liquid lipstick, and I have tried their liquid lipsticks before and liked them, the shades that I have tried. Let's see what this one is. Ooh, this is pretty. It's like a brown, like kind of a deeper shade. Let's do a little swatch and see. Ooh, I like that, like with a deep, dark, like smoky, like brown eye. I feel like that will be really, really pretty, especially in the fall and stuff too. Beautiful. I don't do brown lips often, but I feel like this is really, really pretty. And the value on that is $20. Then we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. So this is their mascara. I have never tried this. Cute little packaging. This looks a lot like the Fenty mascara. Like the packaging is super similar, but like with the black and the rose kind of gold. It's with the wand looks like. So you get a mascara. And the mascara is $25 value. Then we have the brow definer. Oh my God, love this. Okay, this is really good. In shade taupe, which is my shade. We have the brow wiz, which is the really skinny one. I like the brow definer from Anastasia. I like both of them, but normally I'm too cheap to buy them and I'll just buy like the CoverGirl or L'Oreal one, but it's very nice to have this. The brow definer is the one that is kind of like triangular, like this, and you can really get in and do like little brow strokes and stuff with it. And yeah, I'm very excited about this. And you have a little spoolie on the other side. And the value on this is $23. Then we have a little pack of false lashes. Very pretty. They're kind of like low key. I feel like they're long, but they're not super thick or anything. But I still think these are pretty. And the value on these are $12. And the style name is, does it say? Snazzy. That's cute. And then last but certainly not least, we have the Anastasia Loose Setting Powder. So we got a lot of setting powders this month, and this is just in the translucent shade. I am not gonna put a third layer of powder on my face since now we already have two, but oh wow. It's a big container of powder, so I feel like that would last a really long time. Bigger than like the average powder, I would say, so that's pretty cool. And the value on that is $38. Doll hairs. So that was actually a really pleasant surprise. I don't have a ton of like Anastasia stuff, and I have never really tried anything from the Norvina line. So that was really, really cool. And I feel like they're a very high-end, like bougie brand. So, you know, the fact that they partnered with Boxy to do the premium box this month is awesome. So I am gonna add up the value of everything on this. So the palette was $60. The loose setting powder was $38. The mascara was $25. The brow definer was $23, and then the liquid lipstick was $20, and the false lashes were $12 for a grand total of $178, again for $35 a month. So that was a really good box. I really liked that surprise. That was pretty cool. All right, you guys, so that was everything. Definitely let me know down below what you guys got in your box this month. I would love to hear. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.